30,015 to 11 error in Microsoft Office. Are you also facing this problem where Office stops installing or updating and shows the 30,015 to 11 code on your screen? This error happens when the Office setup files get damaged, when the update service stops working, or when Windows blocks the installer. It can also appear if old Office files are still on your system, if your internet connection drops during the update, or if Windows cannot load the tools that Office needs to run. Sometimes a small folder problem triggers this code again and again. You may see many solutions on YouTube and Facebook, but most of them are too confusing and hard to follow. They ask you to run many commands, change settings you do not understand, or reinstall everything without explaining why. When I faced this problem, I fixed it with a simple trick that refreshed the Office installer and cleared the file that caused the error. It worked fast, and Office started working again without any stress. I will share every possible way so you can solve this problem for sure. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial on the exact trick I used, comment down below. This is Rexisht, and now let's fix the 30,015 to 11 Office error the easy way.